Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group Brandy Bunch. We'll be presenting about the debt management. So before we get started, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Zulani binti Abdul Rahman, number matric 277029. So financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. When you're financially literate, you have the foundation of a relationship with money, and it is a lifelong journey of learning. Financial literacy is important because it empowers you to make informed and responsible financial decisions. So our group have decided to choose the topic of debt management under financial literacy. In this video, we will discuss on the what is actually debt and types of it. Next part, we also explain the benefits and role of debt management, how to manage debt especially for students. Last but not least is understanding credit product.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rosita Fitri binti Agus. So I will explain about debt management in details. So debt management refers to the process of organizing and controlling debt in a way that minimizes financial risk and maximizes the ability to meet financial goals. It involves assessing one debt situation, creating a plan to repay debt, and implementing strategies to prevent future debt-related problems. So debt management is really crucial for individuals who have taken on debt, credit card debt, or other form of debt, as well as for business that rely on borrowing to finance their operations. So there are several types of debt, which is the first one is credit card debt. This is very common form of unsecured loan that arise when individuals spend more on their credit cards than they can afford to pay off each month. So second is student loan debt. So student loan debt is incurred when individuals borrow money to finance their education. The third one is mortgage debt. It's referred to loan taken out to purchase a home or property. And the last one is auto loan debt. It's created when individuals finance the purchase of a vehicle.
Now, I will talk about the benefit and role of debt management. With debt management, we can improve our financial health. For example, successfully managing and repaying debt can have a positive impact on a person's credit score over time. Next, debt management helps in saving money on interest payment by reducing interest rate. Debt management plan often involve negotiation with creditors to reduce interest rate on outstanding debt. So this can result in lower monthly payment and overall saving on the total amount repaid. Other than that, the benefit of debt is it can be a path to financial stability. By addressing and resolving debt issues, individuals can work towards a more secure financial future. Therefore, individuals can achieve long-term financial goals when managing the debt properly. Lastly, managing debt effectively can reduce financial stress and anxiety. Knowing that there is a plan in place and progress is being made toward debt repayment can provide a sense of control and a peace of mind. Next is the role of debt management. So the debt management plays several crucial roles, including budgeting and planning, which it helps individuals and organizations create realistic budget and allocating funds for debt repayment while covering essential expenses. The second is the interest rate negotiation. Debt managers may negotiate with creditors to lower interest rate and reducing the overall cost of debt. The last one is the risk mitigation. Managing debt involves assessing and mitigating financial risks to prevent default and financial distress. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alif Fakih binti Abdul Rahim, my matric number 28525. I will continue this presentation by providing the example application when having the debt among the student. As you know, PTPTN is Malaysian government agency that provide education loans to eligible Malaysian students pursuing higher education locally or abroad like UAM. After the student graduate, they are required to repay all the money that has been borrowed to cover all the tuition fee expenses. However, most graduates do not know the effective way to settle all debts. So here's some tips, or we call the truly way, to manage the debt so that then they can solve it as soon as possible without any delay. Firstly, students should prioritize repayment by keep consistent repayment to avoid penalties by setting up for automatic payment. PTPN also offers some various payment options like salary deduction, online payment or manual payment to their counter. After that, they can check their outstanding balance or PTPTN website or just contact them. Secondly is loan repayment discount. This will my biggest suggestion to manage student debt, because PTPTN will offer few discount, like they get 50% discount for payment through payroll deduction. All apply for repayment exemption for students who get first class on their bachelor degree and money at the discount. Before that, student needs to keep update by looking PTPTN website so that student don't miss their opportunity to get the discount. Other than that, students also need to create their budget by divide their money for living expenses and loans repayment so that their financial will maintain positive, especially when our economy in Malaysia right now getting worse day by day. So that students need to create their budget. Last but not least is communicate with PTPTN. If students have faced financial difficult when want to do repayment, because PTPTN already provides some offer flexible repayment option or temporary relief based on their problem. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Miazatul Afkarina, metric number 702443. I'm going to explain about the type of credit products. The first is credit cards. Malaysian banks offer a variety of credit cards with different features and benefits. And then the second is personal loans. Personal loans are unsecured loans that individual can use for various purposes such as education, medical expenses, or home improvement. And then the third is home loans or mortgages. These are loans provided to individuals for purchasing or refinancing a property. And then the fourth is car loans. Banks offer financing for the purchase of new and used vehicle. And then the next, there is overdraft facilities. Overdraft facilities provide account holders with the flexibility to withdraw more money than what is available in their account. And then the next is business loans. For businesses, there are various types of loans available, including term loans, working capital loans, and trade financing. And then next, Islamic financing. So Islamic financial institutions usually offer products like Islamic personal financing, home financing, and business financing. And then next, credit lines. Some banks provide credit lines which are pre-approved credit limits that customer can use as needed. And then the last is credit insurance. Credit insurance protects borrowers and lenders against the risk of non-payment of loans due to events such as death, disability, and or unemployment. Thank you.
So in conclusion, debt management is a critical aspect of financial management that enables organizations to access the necessary financing to fund their operations and investment. Effective debt management can help to reduce financial risk, improve the organization's financial position, and ensure its long-term sustainability. We need to ensure that we know how to manage debt effectively, because if not, it will give a negative effect for our financial management. So that's all from us. I hope our explanation gives some new knowledge to whoever that watching this. So thank you guys.